Hi traders, good day. Today is 8th of November 2019. We are now live day trading crude oil market. December 2019 contract CLZ 9. So in this video, I will show you a review on my today London session signal, which is I sent out earlier from my live signal broadcast channel, which is the order is to short sell the market at 56.60 and try to take profit at 56.02 with a stop loss of a tight stop loss around 34 ticks. So overall everything seems okay for today. We earned a profit with overall 51 ticks, but I didn't manage to escape the reverse of the market, so I did escape at 56.14, which is also quite a good one. And I also advise just to exit any position because we already in profit. So from the chart we can see there's a small floating from this side, so it should be around 10 ticks, 10 to 12 ticks floating negative, and the rest is a good one. So I did enter multiple positions. So we can see that the market tried for a bearish movement, and this important price level from the to the support, and also to the support, yeah, and we managed to escape with profit before the market reverse. So I did manage around 56.14. So the entry is 56.60 and 56.54 if I'm not mistaken, and it was a good trade. We have a profit around 1,290 US dollar based on I'm not sure, two contract or three contract about that. And the profit is a nice one for London session, because London session will always take more profit, but the risk as well is also higher. So it was a good day for us who's follow this signal. Okay, we are taking profit, a big one, but yesterday was a loss. So I will upload the video. If you go to my channel, look for 7 November 2019 video, should find a lost video on that channel playlist. So we are expecting for the market to have maybe a reversal, but still waiting. So London session will begin in US session will begin in 20 minutes time, and we can see there's a pullback have been detected. So after a strong reversal during the London session, so we can see a pullback. So perhaps later we might find another short sell position to go for a short sell during scalping US session. So since the market might go for another bearish, this is what I'm expecting, but I rely on my day trading setup, which is only to wait until receive the signal to go into the market. And we go into the market with TP and stop loss, but it's not 100% day trading strategy, but we have a high winning rate chances for this kind of setup. So by the way, there's a link below in the video. Feel free to click in the description below. Feel free to click on it. Might be helpful for you guys who are also traders. I hope I can help. And that's all for now. We will resume back a live video again during US session, and I will hope to record it live with you guys. I think that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, share, and comment below, or you can ask any question in your mind. I will try to help or to answer it in my own perspective based on my trading experience in the market of futures trading. So I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.